last time I remember the first time we do it. This is the first time we do it. With Jason Rodriguez and then, the first time. We don't remember though, yeah. Yeah, we went, something like that. Yeah, loud boat with us. That is awesome. We are going to the Rainbow River State Park. So we have to add all the way down to the spring, I guess. But it's nice. The water is cold. It's I think 70 degrees, maybe lower than I've seen. Yep, but 70 degrees, so it's kind of nice. So but we are just running slow up there. See a lot of boat, a lot of kayak here, people swimming here, a lot of them. But we just kind of running slow and just enjoy for the days. So I think we're in a really cool place, and I don't know, residential or rental, so I'm not sure. But we got some rubber ducky there. Cool. I need one of those so I can pull up. That's a ducky. Yes, forget it. So we're going to deeper now. So you see a lot of kayak people here, going kayak. We the only one using the engine here. Or use the throwing motor maybe later on. We'll see. Just depends how many kayak here, how many people. It's sometime in the spring there are more easier, especially now. Weather is kind of hot and nice, but I don't know, maybe 80 outside, and this is the rain, and the water is really good. As you can see, a lot of kayak there. So we see some gator here, but look at what everybody's swimming here. I don't know about that.